This is Shi Zhe Ting, Sprint 3. Sprint 3 achievements. As an alien boss, I want to appear from the top at random so the gamer doesn't know when to expect. As an alien boss, I want to travel downwards so that I can kill the gamer. As a missile, I want to have an explosion effect so that I know that I have exploded. As an alien boss, I want to appear from the top at random so the gamer doesn't know when to expect. The boss alien spawns from the top of the screen. The boss alien will appear from the top of the screen, and the boss alien will not stop reappearing until the gamer loses. As an alien boss, I want to travel downwards so that I can kill the gamer. The alien boss travels downwards by 3 pixels each time it moves. The alien boss travels downwards to the bottom of the screen. The alien boss does not stop until it reaches the bottom of the screen. As a missile, I want to have an explosion effect so that I know that I have exploded. The missile travels to the location of where the mouse was clicked. The missile explodes to create a yellow circle. The missile does not stop until it reaches the point of where the mouse was clicked. Show program. The missile doesn't go to the point where it's clicked. It's the alien boss traveling. And it'll respawn.